today's adventures, trying to clear out a space, and he's just going for it. Oh gosh, gotta push that tree over. We gotta clear out a space for the makeshift tent shops that we're gonna have, and this big tree was in the way. Alright, it's cleared out, ready for building. There's the finished product. There's our two makeshift tent shed shop thingies. This is going to be where the dirt bikes and stuff are supposed to go. And this is all the other stuff is supposed to go. So we'll see what happens. Alright, today's septic day. So there's the tank going in the ground. Got to get it filled with water. We don't have running water here yet, so I grabbed a tank from our shop to fill it up. And they're digging the leach lines over there now. Apparently they're going to be finished today, so we shall see, I suppose. Alright, so septic's going to come out from under the house. There's a clean out sticking up. Comes down here to a 1,000-gallon tank. Then it follows this pipe down here to that box, which then splits it up to the 4 different leach lines, which are all spread throughout the yard. So these come down to these box things here, where it flows out the side. And I guess they run the same plane and level, so it keeps, I guess it's like a 2-inch drop, so that way it all seeps down into the ground. And there's 4 of them running throughout the yard. Now they're backfilling it, so hopefully the large yard doesn't smell like poop. And there it is. That's all she wrote. She's all covered up and they are gone. That's where the tank was. There's gonna be a yard at some point, fertilized with human feces. Pretty nasty, but can't tell. I mean, there's a box that you just saw. There's all the lines that are all buried up now. That got grainy because it's too dark. There you go.